If you're a parent who would like to support their child in learning piano, help your child find opportunities to teach other people what they're learning in their piano lessons. Have you ever heard the saying, if you really want to know a subject, to teach it? Well, that saying is very true, and it doesn't just apply to adults, it applies to kids too. In fact, this idea of learning through teaching your peers is actually a really common teaching strategy in elementary schools today. So, how does this relate to piano lessons? Well, it's one thing for a child to be able to play their song in front of their teacher or to know what they're doing enough to practice by themselves. But there's a whole other level of understanding that can come in when they have to actually explain what they're doing to somebody else. And so this is where being the teacher can be really helpful in that. So if you are, a willing partner and would be interested in being a student to your child, maybe you could ask your child to teach you how to play a song and listen to how they explain it. Or if your child has a friend over, maybe that could be something that they do as part of their play date. Maybe your child would like to teach their friend how to play the song that they're learning. It can lead to some really fun times at the piano, and it helps consolidate the child's learning, and it also makes the child feel really proud that they get to be a teacher. So that's a win-win-win situation if I ever heard one. So at any rate, I hope this helps. If you'd like to support your child in really understanding what they're learning in their piano lessons, encourage them to find ways to become a teacher. Take care.